Dear my friends, my colleague and audience, it's time for the workshop to say goodbye. I believe that our workshop is a great success. It went smoothly ahead of our schedule. First of all, I would like to thank Professor Paul Tan, Professor Wei Cheng to take part in organizing and moderating this laparoscopic lap surgery workshop in Beijing. Their suggestion and contribution makes this workshop successful. In this lovely day, the workshop has performed 4 laparoscopic procedures. First one, laparoscopic hepaticojejunostomy for choledochosis by Professor Diao, appendectomy by our young surgeon An Xiaoming, and hernia graft RFA by Dr. Ye. This surgery represents our routine work. We are very happy to share our experience to our worldwide friends. Today, to my surprise, there are nearly 3,000 audience online to join our workshop. The number of the participants is surprised to me. I'd like to thank all the audience for sharing their experience and wisdom expertise with us. Your questions covered so many important and complex problems in the field of pediatric surgery, both theoretically and practically. And the panel discussion were very stimulating and fruitful. The audience question, your suggestion will carry our future study on the field of pediatric surgery. We all hope to maintain close contact and cooperation with each other in the field of the future clinical and research work. Welcome all to visit our center at any time. As the chair of the workshop, I'd like to express my deep thanks again. Thanks Professor Paul Tan and Professor Wei Cheng in Hong Kong. Thank all the audience and friends for joining our first Beijing Pediatric MIS live workshop. Thank Carl Stott Company for their contribution to the workshop with equipment and transmission technical support. At last but not least, thanks to my lovely colleagues, especially thanks to Professor Diao Mei, Professor Li Xu, Professor Ming, Professor Ye, and my lovely anesthetists and nurses for their devoting all their efforts to make this workshop successful. At last, dear my friend, see you next year in our second Beijing Pediatric MIS live workshop. Thank you all. Thanks. 好，行哈，行行行，不接不接。Thank you. See you next year. 太好了，挺好啊。好，来，都过来了，你们一起。